Defense Plus ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi 100% patay na patay ako sa'yo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Airies. Today's video is about alcohol and how I sanitize my makeup. Firstly, I'm going to sanitize my hands. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this hand sanitizer. But for now, let's start with the makeup tools. To disinfect my tools, so I'll put a little bit of solution in this container, and then you will be able to disinfect your eyelash curlers, tweezers, scissors, and eyebrow blades. I put this in the solution in every beginning of my makeup. Then take them out, let them evaporate, and they will be ready to use. I also use isopropyl alcohol and tissue to clean and disinfect my palettes, contact foundation, or any makeup that as you can see are already properly covered. Just wipe the tissue around the surface of the containers and it's done. Next, I'm going to show you how to effectively clean the brushes. So these are my personal brushes. I am using 70% alcohol to break down the makeup and completely disinfect brushes. And you might need this dry tissue. What I do is I put a little bit of alcohol into this container, I dip my brush in, and wipe it with a tissue paper. Just like this. I'm doing this 3 times. You can do more as long as you want until no more makeup residue is coming off. Then leave this on the side, let the alcohol evaporate. There is one important part when you're disinfecting using alcohol. You actually want to make sure that you allow the alcohol to completely evaporate. Because this is what will kill the bacteria and the virus. Even when you're using hand sanitizer, if you apply it and then wipe off the excess, it will not kill off the bacteria. You need to leave it until it evaporates. At this time of pandemic, you want to make sure you always have alcohol in your kit. We obviously cannot carry this massive thing around. We can actually have it in a small spray container like this. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how I make my hand sanitizer. We will be using 3 ingredients. So the main ingredient is this alcohol, which is very easy to find now. You can find it anywhere. I am using Defense Plus. It's antiseptic disinfectant and it contains 70% isopropyl alcohol. I recommend this one. This is the best so far that I have tried. This is the same alcohol I use in disinfecting my tools and makeup. Aloe vera gel. And then you'll be needing aloe vera gel, which there are other options, but I prefer to use this one. The purpose of aloe vera is to keep your skin moisturized. Fragrance oil. I'm using Pink Grapefruit. We will also be using some essential oil to remove the alcoholic smell. Others normally use lavender scent, but I love fruit scents and it works as well. Here is where I'm going to put all of this. It's very handy. You can bring it anywhere. You can put it in your bag, your purse, or in your pocket. So let's start mixing. First, 3 parts of alcohol. Next is 1 part of aloe vera gel. Then 10 drops of essential oil. Mix it well. Place it in the container. You can use funnel to avoid spilling out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment your suggestions. Bye!